video, watch a complete winter lakeside survival scenario. Ice fishing for food, building a heated shelter from spruce logs, and cooking a full meal over an open fire. Everything is done with hand tools and traditional methods in sub-zero temperatures. This is solo winter camping at its core. Ice fishing in winter provides high-protein food when other sources are scarce. The technique here is simple but effective. Drill through the ice, drop a baited line, and wait. In sub-zero temperatures, fish metabolism slows, but they still feed. The key is finding active water under stable ice, typically 15 to 30 centimeters thick for safety. This single fish provides enough protein and fat for an entire day in cold conditions. This shelter design uses a fallen log as the foundation and frame. The drilled holes allow upright branches to create walls, which are then insulated with spruce boughs. The tent layer adds wind and moisture protection. Most importantly, the fire is positioned inside. In extreme cold, maintaining core body temperature overnight requires continuous heat. This design reflects traditional northern forest survival architecture used by trappers and indigenous communities for centuries. The hanging pot technique is practical winter survival cooking. Suspending the pot by its handle allows precise heat control. Raise it higher for simmering, lower for boiling. The wooden spoon carved on-site shows resourcefulness. In survival situations, you work with what's available. This fish stew combines protein, vegetables, and hot liquid, critical for maintaining energy and hydration in cold environments, where your body burns significantly more calories. This complete winter survival scenario demonstrates three critical skills: obtaining food through ice fishing, building an insulated heated shelter, and preparing a hot meal with improvised tools. Each element addresses a specific survival need: calories, warmth, and hydration. In real winter survival, these aren't separate tasks, but an integrated system. Master all three, and you can survive extended periods in sub-zero environments. Which technique would you prioritize learning first?
Like and subscribe to Survival Atlas for more videos.